Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research Chandigarh, PGIMER Chandigarh, which is a reputed and prestigious medical institute of India. Here admissions are open for 2 years job oriented full time Master in Public Health MPH program for the session 2025-26. So in this video, I will give you information regarding PGIMER Chandigarh Master in Public Health admissions information 2025-26 and information regarding important dates, eligibility criteria for Master in Public Health course, entrance exam pattern and syllabus, course fee, and other important informations will be discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master in Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA programs for various university and institutes like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGIMER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, IIPH, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Lucknow University, King George Medical University, SGPGI Lucknow, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other entrance exams. And for this, if a student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the prospectus for Master in Public Health, Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research Chandigarh, session July 2025. Important dates at a glance. So here last date PGIMER Master in Public Health application form closes. So last date for online registration is 27th of May 2025 and registration got started on the PGI website www.pgimer.edu.in on 10th of May 2025. Computer based entrance test for Master in Public Health course 7th of June 2025 morning shift. Expected date of declaration of results 16th of June 2025. So these are important dates. And application fee for SC/ST category rupees 1200 plus transaction charges is applicable. And general OBC sponsored category rupees 1500 plus transaction charges as applicable. So this is the registration fee. This is the information for administrative staff, and these are the inquiry numbers for Master in Public Health inquiry. So these are the numbers given for inquiry for technical support. So in this video, all important information will be given. This is the introduction for PGIMER Master in Public Health course. And this is the aims and objective of the institute. Admission to the postgraduate course. General admission requirement, eligibility. So this is the eligibility. To be eligible for admission, a candidate must fulfill the following qualifications. Requirements: A. Any professional degree in health like MBBS, BDS, BAMS, Bachelor of Veterinary Science, BHMS, or 4 years bachelor degree in public health or nursing or physiotherapy on a regular basis from a recognized university on or before 30th June 2025 with at least 50% marks in aggregate. However, those belonging to SC/ST OBC with at least 45% marks from a university institute recognized by the Medical Dental Veterinary Council of India, the Institution of Engineers India and UGC AICTE B must have either completed or due to complete respective rotatory internship training on or before 30th June 2025 if applicable. The candidates appearing in exam may submit application. They will be allowed to appear in exam provisionally subject to the condition they will qualify the exam by 30th of June 2025. Such candidates must submit copy of passing certificate to the academic session PGI through email. Must be registered with Central State Medical Dental Veterinary Registration Council if applicable. So these are ABC, these are the eligibility, and this is the method of selection. The selection of candidates will be made on the basis of a theory paper carrying 80 marks. All candidates who fulfill the eligibility criteria mentioned above shall appear in a theory paper containing objective type of questions on intellectual and reasoning skills. So this is the syllabus for entrance exam. In intellectual and reasoning skills, English and comprehensions, data interpretation skills, and general knowledge and awareness, 20 marks each. The duration of the theory paper will be 1.5 hours. Number of seats, the tentative number of seats available in Master on Public Health course for the July 2025 session is given below. General 6, SC 2, ST 1, OBC 4, PWBD 1, sponsored 2. Note the reservation will be provided on horizontal basis as per their rank in order of merit in entrance test. Reservation of seats, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other backward classes OBC. So this is the reservation. Selection procedure, competitive computer based entrance test. Selection will be made through computer based test. So there will be a CBT, computer based test. The entrance test shall be held on 7th of June 2025. Duration of test shall be 90 minutes for Master in Public Health course. The online CBT entrance test will be conducted in one shift. Timing 9 AM to 10:30 AM. Examination center cities: Chandigarh, Tri-City and Delhi NCR, Ambala, Amritsar, Bhatinda, Dehradun, Kangra, Shimla. So these are the entrance exam centers. This is the summary of Master in Public Health entrance test pattern. So this is the pattern for entrance exam. Mode of examination, computer based test, CBT online. Duration of examination 90 minutes. Date of examination 23rd of May to so this is given wrong. So date of examination is 7th of June 2025. And number of shifts 1. Timing of examination 9 AM to 10:30 AM. Location of examination center: Chandigarh, Tri-City, Delhi NCR, Ambala, Amritsar, Bhatinda, Dehradun, Kangra, Shimla. Language of paper English. Type of examination objective type. Number of questions: one paper of 80, MCQ 80. This is the fee structure for Master in Public Health course. The dues are payable to the institute by the candidates admitted to the MPH course. Registration fee 500, tuition fee 350, laboratory fee 900, amalgamated fund 720 per annum, security 1000 refundable only after completion of course, examination fee rupees 1000. So this is the fee. Fee is very less for 2 years program. Duration of course, the Master in Public Health has duration of 2 academic years. So in this video, information regarding PGI MER, Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research Chandigarh, Master in Public Health program has been discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master in Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, entrance exams like PGI, MER, Chandigarh, AIMS, CUET, PG, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, SPPU, KGMU, SGPGI, CMC Vellore, and for all other university and institutes. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.